Iran's Air Force has taken major steps in recent years to modernize and strengthen its aerial fleet in order to maintain defensive independence and boost combat power. A key turning point in this effort has been the arrival of advanced Su-35 fighter jets from Russia. These jets have been upgraded using domestic expertise and tailored to fit Iran's operational needs. The result? A unique variant that differs significantly from the original Russian model. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what sets Iran's Su-35 apart, and why it's considered a strategic asset for the country. The original Su-35 is one of the most advanced 4.5 generation multi-role fighters. It dominates in air superiority, strikes ground targets, and participates in reconnaissance missions. Russia's Air Force uses it extensively. Some of its standout features include thrust vectoring engines, a passive phased array radar, and advanced electronic warfare systems. But the Iranian version, delivered under a contract with Russia, has been modified based on Iran's own defense priorities. These upgrades make it more effective and precise in the specific operational environments of the Middle East. One of the biggest changes? The radar and electronic systems. The Russian radar has a 400-kilometer range and can track 30 targets simultaneously. But Iranian engineers, drawing on years of experience upgrading systems like the F-14's radar, have enhanced it further. Reports suggest the Iranian variant features improved signal processing algorithms, giving it an edge in detecting small or stealthy threats like drones and cruise missiles. That's a major tactical advantage the original lacks. In electronic warfare, the Iranian Su-35 also steps up. While the Russian version can jam enemy radar and disrupt guided missiles, Iran's upgrades expand its capabilities even further. With a broader bandwidth and indigenous tech, the system can detect and counter multiple threats simultaneously, a critical edge in complex battles. Weaponry-wise, the Iranian Su-35 is more flexible. The Russian model supports air-to-air, anti-ship, and precision-guided bombs. But Iran has integrated its domestically produced missiles like the FlankerE 90. With high range and accuracy, the FlankerE 90 allows the jet to strike distant targets without entering dangerous zones. Cruise missiles with over 100 kilometers range have also been added, enabling long-range offensive missions, a clear advantage over the standard Russian loadout. Let's talk engines. The Russian version delivers around 142 knots of thrust and excellent maneuverability through thrust vectoring. Iran's version, however, features improved fuel systems and turbo performance, boosting engine efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. The operational range has reportedly increased by about 400 kilometers, from 360 to roughly 760 kilometers, expanding mission reach across West Asia. The airframe's aerodynamics have also been upgraded. Advanced composite materials have reduced weight while maintaining durability. The result: better fuel efficiency and a smaller radar cross-section. Though exact numbers are undisclosed, analysis suggests it's harder to detect, a key advantage in modern aerial combat. And here's a big one. Iran reportedly plans to domestically manufacture 48 to 72 Su-35s under license. That opens the door to even more customization of systems, weapons, and onboard tech. While this project is still in early stages, it could significantly reduce dependency on imported parts, something the original Russian model doesn't address. Bottom line, Iran's Su-35 isn't just an upgraded version, it's been rebuilt for Iran's needs. With modern radar, domestic weaponry, optimized engines, and a lighter frame, it's a powerful asset for defending Iran's skies. And it's all thanks to Iranian engineers, who transformed an imported fighter into a cutting-edge indigenous platform. With these jets, Iran has taken a big step toward strengthening its defense capabilities. The Iranian Su-35, designed for complex missions and regional challenges, plays a crucial role in deterring threats near and far. It's a true symbol of progress and national confidence, and a clear sign of what's ahead for Iran's Air Force. Iran proud of this achievement? Drop the Iranian flag in the comments. Thumbs up, don't forget to like and subscribe. More epic content coming soon. Now let's take a deep dive and go over the full specifications of the Su-35. A multi-role fighter that's not only a major asset for Russia, but in its Iranian variant, it's gaining serious global attention. The Su-35 was first conceptualized in the late 1980s, but the current model we know, the Su-35S, officially entered service with the Russian Air Force in 2008. This is a 4++ generation fighter, designed to bridge the gap between 4th gen and 5th gen jets. It features advanced avionics and weapons tech close to 5th gen standards, minus full stealth. The Su-35 has a length of 21.9 meters, a wingspan of 15.3 meters, and an overall height of about 5.9 meters. Its empty weight is around 18,400 kilograms, and with full loadout, it can weigh up to 34 tons. It's powered by two Saturn AL-41 F1S turbofan engines, each generating about 142 kilonewtons of thrust with afterburners. These engines have 3D thrust vectoring, allowing it to perform extreme maneuvers that most aircraft simply can't replicate. Its top speed reaches around Mach 2.2, roughly 2,400 kilometers per hour at high altitude. The combat range with internal fuel is around 3,600 kilometers, and with drop tanks or aerial refueling, it can go over 4,500 kilometers. The Su-35 is one of the most agile fighters in the world. Thanks to its aerodynamic design and thrust vectoring engines, it can perform advanced moves like the Pugachev's Cobra, the Kulbit, and other high angle of attack maneuvers, crucial for close-range dogfighting. It uses the Irbis-E radar, a PESA, passive electronically scanned array system. This radar can detect large targets at up to 400 kilometers range and stealthy or small targets at 80 to 120 kilometers. It can track 30 targets simultaneously and engage up to 8 of them at once. The aircraft also features electronic countermeasures, threat detection systems, and missile approach warning. The Su-35 can carry up to 8 tons of armament, including short and long-range air-to-air missiles, R-77, R-73, anti-ship missiles like the KH-31, air-to-ground guided missiles like the KH-29 and KH-59, laser and GPS-guided bombs, unguided rockets, and an internal 30mm cannon with 150 rounds. This makes it capable of handling air combat, ground attack, naval missions, and more. The Su-35 has a fully digital glass cockpit with 2 multifunction displays, a head-up display, and HOTAS controls, hands on throttle and stick. It uses fly-by-wire flight control, allowing for precision maneuvering with greater safety and responsiveness. It's often compared to the F-15 Eagle, the Eurofighter Typhoon, and even F-22 Raptor in certain areas. While it doesn't match the F-22 in stealth, it rivals or surpasses many competitors in range, maneuverability, and cost-effectiveness. The Iranian variant of the Su-35 comes with unique upgrades. Improved radar, domestically integrated missiles like the FlankerE 90, a customized electronic warfare suite, and possibly lighter composite materials. Some reports suggest it has increased operational range, better fuel efficiency, and enhanced ability to detect stealth threats, making it well suited to Iran's specific defense needs. And that's your deep dive into one of the most advanced 4.5 generation fighter jets on Earth, the Su-35. A remarkable aircraft, now with an Iranian twist, that's pushing the limits even further. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we've got more cutting-edge fighter content coming soon.